Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Hector Tricas from Voltex Physical Therapy, and today I'm going to show you how to use the BFR cuffs. These are a great tool to help you build strength and endurance, especially during rehabilitation, without the usage of heavy weights. If you're new to BFR training, make sure you complete the BFR screening in the SAGA app before you begin. This screening includes a short set of questions about your medical history. It helps us make sure the BFR is safe for you. The app will group your answers into high, medium, and low risk. Based on that, we will decide if it's okay to move forward or if you need medical clearance first. BFR, or blood flow restriction, is a method that uses controlled external pressure to partially limit the blood flow into the limbs. This triggers a strength and hypertrophy responses even with light weights, making it ideal for rehabilitation or performance. When using BFR, always apply the cuffs to both arms or both legs, not just one limb, and never arms and legs at the same time. For arms, you will place the cuffs at the top of the arm, just below the deltoid, and for legs, we will place them high on the thigh, just below the gluteal area. Make sure the cuffs are snug but not uncomfortably tight. Here are some of the standard protocols we can do. There is an option for strengthening, and there is an option for endurance. For the strength protocol, we're going to do 30, 15, 15, 15, with 30 seconds in between. Now the tempo will be 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down, and then between exercises, we will rest 1 minute and we will deflate the calves. You can do up to 3 exercises, so for example, squats, hamstrings, and calf raises. For the endurance protocol, you can do one of those previous exercises, so for example, squats, 30, 15, 15, 15, with 30 seconds in between, and then you can do 10 minutes on the back. Let's talk about safety. If you ever feel numbness, tingling, or sharp pain, you need to stop right away and take the cuffs off. BFR should feel challenging, but it should never feel painful or unsafe. For the best results, research shows you should aim for 2 to 3 BFR sessions per week. You might feel more sore than usual after training, so make sure to recover well. That means stay hydrated, getting good sleep, and eating enough so your body can heal. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me.